got about 4 minutes. So I got to be fast. I'm going to be brief, but I'm going to be fast. Okay. One more time. God is good all the time. That's great. That's great. Time consists of consistency, inconsistency, consistent, inconsistent, right? Significance, insignificance, significant and insignificant, regular and irregular outcomes. Okay? Within these outcomes, right, are stuff that happen in those channels that I just mentioned. And how my brain work, I categorize these channels, which allow me to calculate my next step depending on what may be close to the next outcome. So my thing is I move around outcomes that don't benefit God, because my first mission, right, is to be beneficial to God in a way of converting somebody that feels earthly, right, to being a reflection of what heaven is, to show appreciation to what God is and what he's doing. Okay? So when I call time, right, everybody says that 11 is a number that's not consistent with God in a way, where they call it demon time. First off, 11 is the number of disciples that were faithful to God. There's a lot of other examples, but I can't really get into that. I got to be brief. But 11 is a number that if there's a war, we know there's a war going on between heaven and hell, right? So when there's a war going on, if they fight on these numbers, or if they come out on these numbers, we know that when they come out from heavens, our Father sent angels out. Matter of fact, they know that when they come out, their job is to come out themselves upon them coming out, and there's a war over your soul between good and evil. Okay. So in the midst of all this stuff going on, you gotta be able to maneuver. Okay. In order to evolve with natural selection, you have to actually indulge in the naturally selected. Okay. Now I'm trying to be brief, and this is like, I got about a couple seconds left. I'm gonna do another one. It'll be more intriguing. But Earth is to space as submarine is to water. There's an invention